fried prawns, sol curry and rice is a favorite in my house, and when my son comes back home, that's the only thing he keeps demanding every now and then. Today I'm going to be making some fried prawns for dinner, so I thought why not just show the recipe to you guys. So here I have a kg of prawns that are shelled and deveined, and now we'll make a masala for this. So now I'm taking 15 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, just a little bit of fresh coriander. Now I'm using kokum syrup here that has got no sugar, which is a little difficult to get, but I have Sarita who gets it from her gaon from Malvan. But you can use kokum as well. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this kokum syrup, but if you don't have kokum syrup, you can add kokum, about say 7 to 8 petals of kokum, or if you don't have kokum, you can drizzle 1 entire lemon in that, the juice of 1 entire lemon. So I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt to this, and now adding very little water, we're going to grind this to a fine paste. So while grinding this paste, I used a little less than quarter of a cup of water, and see, this should be the consistency of the masala. Nice and beautiful red color. Now we're going to apply this masala to the prawns. Don't apply a very thick layer, a basic thin layer, because the more the thick the masala, what tends to happen is when you coat it with suji, rava that is, the masala tends to just fall off when you're frying them. See how this is? Just simply coat them like this. So usually what I do is I marinate the prawns at least 5 to 6 hours prior, so that the prawns get infused very well with the masala. And then you take some suji, rava. You can take regular rava or you can take the chiroti rava also. Chiroti as a rava is nothing but a very fine quality of rava. It sticks very well to the prawns. So before that, I forgot, heat a pan and just drizzle quarter cup of coconut oil. Now why I use coconut oil is, sometimes fried food can give you tremendous acidity, but I've always observed that whenever I fry prawns, the traditional way that we fry in Karnataka with coconut oil, my family never complains of acidity. So that's the reason why I always use coconut oil for frying fish or for making batatechi kappa, or which is my favorite. So anyway, now we'll fry the prawns. So I've taken the prawn, I'm going to coat it well with the rava. Now just place it on the hot pan. See to it that the flame is on a medium. It's not too high, it's not too low. See, usually prawns cook really fast. Within 3-4 minutes the prawns are done. So for 1.5 to 2 minutes, fry the prawns on one side, and then now we'll flip them. You see how well the rava is still stuck onto the prawn? That's because we've not applied too much of masala to this. The other thing that I have observed while frying prawns is that if the oil is not hot enough, then the masala also tends to just fall off the prawns. So remember to have hot oil. The prawns are ready. Really, it didn't take much long to make this recipe, okay? Now I'm going to remove this in a bowl. And now let's quickly serve this along with some sol curry and bhat. So now it's a very easy recipe. So try it and keep watching Smita Dev.